Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is second part of this series where we discuss the multiple choice question oftenly featured in All India Bar, Judicial Magistrate First Class, LLM entrance and all legal examination under subject Constitution of India. Let's start. Complete independence from foreign control is termed as A. Sovereignty, B. Equality, C. Liberty, D. Unity. The answer is A. Sovereignty. Second question. Who was the chairman of drafting committee set up by the Constituent Assembly? A. Sir Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, B. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, C. Abdul Ghaffar Khan, D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The answer is Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Next, the Supreme Court has original jurisdiction under the Constitution of India. A. Article 32, B. Article 226, C. Article 131, D. Article 142. The answer is Article 131. Option is C. Next question. The term sovereignty power denotes the power which is absolutely and uncontrolled within its own sphere. Its statement is incorrect statement, B correct statement. Answer is B correct statement. Next question. The preamble of the Constitution of India does not confer upon the government and substantive power. Option A correct. Option B incorrect. Answer is correct. Next question. Which of the following rights are not available to citizens of India under Article 21 of the Constitution? Option A, right to privacy. Option B, right to die. Option C, right to health and medical assistance. D, right to get pollution-free water and air. And answer is right to die. Next question. The dot dot of the Constitution may used for removal of any ambiguity in any previous thereof. Option A, preamble. Option B, mint. Amended mint. C. Interpretations. D. Legislative competence. And the answer is A. Preamble. Next, the Constituent Assembly came into existence in November 1945, November 1946, January 1946, none of the above. The answer is B. November 1946. Next question. Foreign nationals are not entitled to claim guaranteed by the Constitution of India. Option A, Bill of Rights. Option B, Human Rights. Option C, Petition of Right. Option D, Fundamental Rights. The answer is D, Fundamental Rights. The application of the doctrine of eclipse arises from the inherent differences between of Constitution. Option A, Article 15(3) and 15(4), Article 13 of A and Article 13 of 2, Article 29 of 1 and 29 of 2, Article 16 of 1 and Article 16 of 4. The answer is B, Article 13 of A and Article 13 of 2. The American Constituent was actually born out the between a number of independent states. A. Agreement. B. Conflict. C. Equality. D. Liberty. And the answer is A. Agreement. Next question. The Supreme Court is the guardian of the Constitution. Option A true. Option B false. Answer is the true. Next question. The term locus standi means that option A only that person has the right to move to Supreme Court whose fundamental right has been infringed. B. A petition before Supreme Court under Article 32 can be filed only by the person whose fundamental right is breached. And C. None of the above. Option D. Both A and B of above. And the answer is both A and B above. Next, the constitution of there are no guarantees or absolute rights. Option A America, B India, C England, D Germany, and the answer is England. Next question. According to the Article 56 of Constitution, the President shall hold office for a term of from the date on which he enters upon his office. Option A 3 years, option B 4 years, option C 5 years, option D 6 years. The answer is 5 years. The citizenship may be lost by option A renunciation, option B termination, option C deprivation, and option D any one of above. Answer is D any one of above. Next question. The Constitution of India is the lengthiest constitution in the world. The statement is correct. Next question. When a bill passed by both the houses of parliament is sent to the president for assent, he may option A give assent, option B withhold assent, option C return to bill to the house or for a reconsideration, option D either of the above. And the answer is D either of the above. Next question. In the exercise of its original jurisdiction under Article 131 of the Constitution, the Supreme Court may entertain and decide any dispute between A. Government of India and state or states, B. Two or more states, C. Private individuals and the Government of India, option D. Both A and B above. The answer is D. Both A and B above. Next question. The Constitution of India is option A rigid, option B flexible, option C neither rigid nor flexible, D unique blend of rigidity and flexibility. Answer is D unique blend of rigidity and flexibility. Next question. The right to profess, practice and propagate religion guaranteed under Article 25 of 1 of Constitution is subject to public order, B. Morality, C. Health, D. All above. The answer is all above. Next question. The Constitution of India provides for kinds of writs that the Supreme Court and High Court may issue. Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. Answer is 5. Next question. The state legislature is competent to legislate on the subjects contained in the state list and concurrent list only, but in exceptional circumstances it may legislate on central subject. The statement is incorrect. The directive principle of the state policy are contained in option A, Part 4th of Constitution of India, B, Part 3 of Constitution of India, C, Part 2 of Constitution of India, Part D, options D, Part 1 of the Constitution of India. The answer is a Part 4th of Constitution of India. Next question. Ordinarily, the Parliament can legislate on the subjects contained in Union list and concurrent list only, but in exceptional circumstances, it may legislate on a state subjects. The statement is correct statement.
For more such videos, please leave a comment.